Hi everyone, my name is Ashley Marino and today I'm going to be discussing on how to use Padlet. Padlet is a free online app that is basically a virtual bulletin board. Students and teachers can collaborate, reflect, and share links and pictures. Padlet is also a fun way of learning virtually. Now let's go ahead and dive into on how to use Padlet. At the top here, teachers can make a Padlet, and then to the right, students are able to join a Padlet and post their discussions or anything on their Padlet. So we're going to go ahead and click Make a Padlet, and it's going to bring you here on how you want your Padlet to be. So it gives you the categories: wall, stream, grid, shelf, map, canvas, and timeline. So let's take timeline for instance. If you are in history class and you are teaching about the progressive era, you would want to have your students post the events that occurred during the progressive era. So this would be a great category to use. Another example is if you're in a world geography class and you're learning about maps and, for instance, like different countries, you can choose a map that you want and have your students put the countries where they belong. And this is a great memorization tool. But we're going to go ahead and click the wall category. So we're going to click select. And then it's going to take you here where you can modify on how you want your Padlet to look. It gives you a title option, a description, an icon. You're able to choose an emoji that reflects your Padlet that you are creating. It gives you an address option, which you are able to copy your link and share it with anyone. The appearance option allows you to choose how you want your actual Padlet to look. So if you go to wallpaper, it gives you the option of solid colors, gradient, textures and patterns, pictures, and it even lets you upload your own wallpaper. The color scheme and font. The next option is posting. This is where you're able to view who posted first or last. You're able to allow comments on your post. And as a teacher, a really great factor that Padlet offers is the reaction. And at the bottom right here, it gives you the option to grade your students' post. And in doing so, students are able to see the grade that you have given them. And then the next option is content filtering, which you can require approval, so it will moderate who is allowed onto your Padlet. And another one is filtering out profanity, which replaces bad words with nice emojis. So we're going to go ahead and make a Padlet. I'm currently teaching body systems in my science class. So I'm going to do body systems. Discussion. The description will be types of body systems. I'm going to choose the science emoji and then go back. And then for wallpaper, I feel like science gives me blue and green vibes, so I'm just going to go to gradient and choose this one right here. I'm going to allow comments and I'm going to choose grade as my reaction. I'm going to also require approval and filter out profanity. Now that this all looks good, I'm going to go ahead and click next and then start posting. Now it's going to bring you to a blank screen of your Padlet that you have created. So to post the discussion of what you want your students to write about, you're going to go ahead and click this plus sign at the bottom right corner. Subject, discussion. And then we're going to write the prompt. So it says, first students would choose a body system that we have just gone over in class, such as skeletal, muscular, respiratory, reproductive, and the endocrine system. Once you chose a body system, you're going to write its function and why you think it's important. So this is what the prompt that the students are going to have to write about. You're also able to upload a picture, so you can like do it through your computer, camera, anything. I'm not going to upload a picture for this, but I am going to change the color of this post right here. And we're going to do it to orange. And I'm going to go ahead and click publish. So now that I have this published, students are able to reflect off this discussion post. So students will just do the same thing, go to this plus sign right here. They will type, their subject line will be the type of body system that they are doing. So let's take skeletal. And then they're able to write their discussion right here. We're just going to put bones. And then we are going to hit publish. Now that you see your students post, once you get all of them done, then you are able to grade your students' post. You can just click here and you can change the grade to a 95 or whatever grade you want to give, and then students are able to see the grade you have given them. Now, one cool factor about this, as I mentioned before, is you can comment. So students can comment on other students' posts, and you're able to make comments as well. This is all I have for this video today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using Padlet.